usual. Let's see, where's your name
Me?
at? Yeah. What up?
Yeah, people were saying that yesterday.
Manchito. Yeah, I saw a few people talking about this morning about screen share. It's either screen share or have trouble listening. So just keep that in mind. Rather y'all be able to listen, y'all be able to hear us than watch pre-market review.
Yeah, and like for whatever reason in this channel, only 50 people can view a screen share. That's why we can't have it. I'm sure Discord will fix it eventually.
Eventually.
What do I have for the open? You guys want to talk about what we got?
We got time on it.
Yeah, it did pull back, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
I was
And
expecting something to
Meta's
go
the only
off.
thing kind of pushing here.
They just
Kind of
had
Uh,
pushing with the
earnings, bro.
market.
I there's like three things that I
AMD
really
is
like.
strong.
Yeah, I saw that too.
That doesn't mean I
Actually.
like it though. I'm just saying.
So I guess all the interns, all of us agree that we do like Spotify at 305. It just had earnings, so contracts are obviously going to be probably expensive and more volatile than usual. So you need to watch out for volume and spreads on those. And then we like Coin at 228, which is pretty far for $4. So, and I also
Y'all don't
like
like
Meta.
Nvidia?
I also like Meta. I know it has earnings, guys, but I like the divergence that this stock can have at times. So if the market happens to pull back and Meta's having one of those days where it's just really strong, I may take a chance at it at 492, knowing that it has earnings still, and see how that moves. So
Yeah, and
Ricky.
then it's pushing kind of right now too, Frankie. So I kind of like that with you.
What is pushing right now?
Slightly Meta, like to up to the level while everything else is kind of stagnant and kind of dropped.
You guys aren't a fan of Nvidia at 810?
Hey, what I will say about Spotify though, it had earnings and there's nothing in the open interest area over 1,000.
Benji, I mean, I always like Nvidia. It just depends how it approaches for me.
Yeah.
So
I honestly think I might just stick to Spotify at the open, bro.
that's a crazy thing to say,
I know.
honestly.
Bro, the Spotify logo on the chart's mad big. You see that?
Yeah.
Coinbase pulled back. Probably not getting that.
What are you gonna have at open, Nor?
It's tricky.
Meta's over Meta's over 491 now.
Yeah, that's super close, bro. Mm.
Man, none of these contracts have good open interest, huh, George?
Nah, that's what I was saying, bro. There's nothing like it just had earnings.
Yeah.
That's one of them things where I think I'll rather pass and wait for this to like drop and then come back aggressively, and then at that point I had the 310s loaded up, but I don't
It is
I don't
part
think
of
it's
the
worth it.
NYSC, so who knows if this
Oh, it
actually
is?
who
Oh,
knows if this actually opens up at
Yeah, I mean,
market open.
Meta's up $10. They have earnings this week though.
yeah, it's like tomorrow, I think.
And then the thing, what's down the most? Nothing really is down. Apple's flat. And then you have SMCI up $16 here pre-market.
I like that 740 area on that.
Yeah, that was what we were kind of watching yesterday. Well, not watching, but we were paying attention to yesterday.
Yeah.
We do have just a reminder from
News.
Benja. We do have news. Yeah,
Yeah, 15 and 30 minutes in.
I think I might have just. I'm not. That doesn't mean I'm gonna take it, but I think I might have Meta pulled up.
Yo, my throat keeps closing. Pause, bro. Like, this
Yo.
is bad.
Oh, these contracts are crazy, bro.
Yeah, told you.
Metas?
Yeah.
I
What
forgot
are they?
to. I don't know if Meta has volume or any liquidity when it has earnings. I don't remember it ever having, but
Not even worth it, I don't think. 500 calls or 1700.
you just have to play out the money at
Yeah.
that point.
Spotify's contracts is open. Oof. Yeah, I don't know, dude. These contracts are not it.
For what?
Spotify. $300 spread.
$1 spread now. Yeah.
The $3
Color, the
spread.
310s have a 300.
Yo, Coinbase is honestly pushing up pretty fast here. Those
Did you take
contracts
that,
moved
Kunal?
over 100% though if we took it.
Oh, I might have taken that.
On what
You
spot?
took,
Yo, no way those contracts moved like that, bro.
bro, you took it at 50 volume? You're insane, bro.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro,
that's
I'm used to trading those kinds of stocks like
Hey,
that.
yo, you
Yo,
smacked it. Dude, they went from 5
yo,
to
it's still
13.
going, bro.
Hey,
Yo,
coin is getting close.
coin.
Yeah.
those contracts went berserk, Frank.
Yeah, I got an alert for coin.
Yeah,
Spot
hold
is still going.
I'm gonna focus on coin now.
Where would you guys take this on coin?
228, like to the exact cent.
Depending on how we get there, if it's a straight push up, I'm not gonna take it. I might wait for the retest or at least the hold.
AMD
And I'm-
ripped.
The problem with
Nvidia ripped.
coin is that these contracts don't have any volume, and these spreads are pretty brutal too.
But these spreads are. If you're scared, you cannot be scared of these spreads.
Yeah, after taking that other one, bro.
Nah,
Taking
see,
that
my
one.
problem with it is that coin, the pullbacks are just disgusting, bro.
Coins contracts, they're starting to tighten up.
But none of these have volume still. Like the 230s do, but
Yeah, that's what I got.
is that what we like then? The 230s?
That's the only thing playable.
Okay.
Nvidia broke 810 there.
Where's Bitcoin at? Hey Siri, what's Bitcoin price?
One Bitcoin is $66,139.30, according to Yahoo Finance.
Nvidia's looking kind of strongish there. But nah, I think I'm good on that right now.
Coin just starting to go. Obviously, we'd be looking at the 230 calls.
Let's try in here.
That touched 228 on the dot.
Here we go. I'm looking to get in soon. I'm in these 230
These are-
calls.
Paying, dude.
These are going crazy, George.
I don't really like coin like that. Keep in mind these contracts do move a little crazy, so
Need to see a 228 hold here.
yeah. Thankfully it's Tuesday because the contract's not moving all too crazy. But I'm gonna probably get out of this real quick if this pulls back any further. Where's your stop?
I personally
Uh,
stopped already.
Yeah, I haven't stopped up just because I got in before y'all. I'm only down like 7% right here.
Yeah, if this pushes, I will add to this position. But if this comes back to 227, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm with you on that.
trying to hold 227 here. Just be careful because I might get out as soon as we touch here.
The ass is trying here. Just need the bid just to keep letting it go. I'm green here.
I have 227.10 as an alert for my stop, and then I'm gonna add if we come up to this high.
Are you looking to scalp this 230 or you're looking for a hold here?
I might sell half on the 230 break.
We're breaking this 30-minute trend here. It's right at it.
I just tried at least.
It's 227.40. Where the trend's at. On the 30-minute. 15 minutes right at 230 as well.
I
229.
think contracts are holding up better too than
Yeah.
they were before. They're actually gaining a bit of premium. So
I
I'll
still
let
like
you guys
this.
know if I add.
$229.40 is that 50-minute algo trend.
If I add and this doesn't go straight through 230, I'm gonna get out. Like immediately. Remember my alert. 227.10 is my alert. If I hear that go off, I'm gonna get out this. 227.10. I typed it out for you guys. I will add probably around 229.50. That's where I'm looking to add. 229.50 is where I'm looking to add. And if we don't go straight through 230, I'm just gonna walk away from the trade. Break even green, whatever I'm at when this pushes right through. Alert set at 227.10. Keep an eye on that. Stop loss. This should get going here very soon if we're gonna move. You stopped out, George?
Yeah.
All right, good.
It wasn't a bad. They held up nice. My buy was 735. I sold for 682 there.
Yeah, for coin, that's really good.
It's a perfect stop there. Yeah, it tried to go for that 15-minute algo. It just wasn't having it.
I thought I was like a 6% loss on that. So I mean, I'll take that.
Look at Meta now.
Yeah, consolidating, but are those contracts gonna pay or no?
Oh, I forgot, bro. I forgot. Never mind.
I will say, George, I was up really nicely on that original push.
On what? On
Coin. Yeah.
Yeah, I was up nicely. I got in early before North signaled.
Mm-hmm.
What was your buy, Phil?
735.
Mine was 745.
Yeah, I mean, bro, these contracts, the 500s are $17. I'm probably gonna just stay away from that. Let's see.
What contracts did you play earlier on Coin, Frank? Good talk.
News in 5 minutes.
Oh, I didn't know I was muted. I said the 230s.
The 230s
Yeah.
on
Yo.
spot.
Oh, Spotify. You said coin originally. On Spotify, I did the 320s, and I'm actually looking at it right now again.
Me
Kunal,
too.
Kunal
That's
just
what I
said something
mentioned.
about it, and I've had it pulled up here.
Yeah, I actually have an alert at 313 here.
Mine's at
Personally,
Mine's at 314. I'm gonna be a little more disciplined on this one because this isn't a quick move yet.
you said 314.
Mine's personally at 314. Yeah, I'm gonna use that as
Gotcha.
confirmation.
Coin's back at 228 here.
My focus is on Spotify now. Nor
All right.
Yeah, I don't think I have time to switch over anyways.
I think for this, George, a hold above 313 would be really good.
Yo, I'm looking at 800 calls on SMCI.
What level?
At 740. That's what I was watching yesterday.
ES is breaking out here. The news hasn't even hit.
Damn, yeah, we have news.
Oh,
Oh, it
there
just
goes.
fucking broke. Damn. All right. We get a slight pullback here. That would be nice. We just broke through 740. Contracts moved right there, but
I don't think I'm taking this, Frankie.
You don't like this anymore?
I do, but I don't like how it's behind. I know it's in the NYSE, but I've got news as well here in a couple minutes.
I'm gonna wait till after the news for this one because I don't like I don't have no. I mean, you pretty much said it. I don't have any idea how the stock moves at all. If it moves with the market, if it doesn't, I don't have that kind of knowledge behind it.
Yeah.
News is in a minute 30, so I'm cool with this breaking, and I'm just chilling. The spreads are still pretty brutal too. So
They're 25%.
all right, we got the pullback here.
Dude, a hold of 313 would be crazy.
that's what I'm saying. But I think at that point it'd be breaking the consolidation and to get the momentum it needs at that point.
Oh man.
So it's really tricky. That's why I think just waiting for the news and waiting to see how this moves with it is a good idea.
Yeah, everybody's better off taking SMCI with Nor here just because that is a stock we actually play and understand more.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for that news though. There's still 40 seconds left, so I'm with y'all. I'm waiting. The problem is this thing is not gonna wait for us, huh?
SMCI is breaking now. Time we got here for 25 seconds.
Yo, nah. I hope they don't make me rush this.
Just, I don't know.
Can we get a red to green at least? 10 seconds.
That's just NQ pulling back too. That's annoying.
Oh man.
All right, Ash just pulled back a little bit. Not much, but we can
This
work
should
with
be
it.
the news right here. See what
Ah,
happens.
sheet.
Excuse me.
This guy. Damn.
Yeah,
Had my finger on the trigger here, huh?
I couldn't switch to that.
I just hear someone's alert just popping up in the background.
I think that was mine.
That's funny.
Mine was 744.
Oh my god, ES is going crazy.
This is the like most consolidation setup you can ever ask on a stock. Volume's just super
Yo,
slow right now.
ah man, this is not helping at all. 751.
Here goes Meta. Coin just broke out too. Nvidia's
230.
trying to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just destroyed SMCI, bro. This stock is crazy.
Benji's funny.
All right. Let's see what happens here. Spot should start getting moving soon. If not,
Look at these fills, Frankie.
Oh, hold up, Benji. I'm looking at Spotify. Remind me here in like 5 minutes. I mean, guys, if you guys put Spotify's like in a rectangle right now from 306 all the way up to 312, 313ish. This is a pretty hefty consolidation. So I mean, your best friend here to tell this is actually breaking out or breaking down will be looking at volume and looking at time sales afterwards and seeing if those orders are actually getting executed for that side. So
Yeah, I'm probably gonna play 760 on SMCI. This isn't stopping.
if this breaks 306, George, I'll probably stop watching it.
yeah, that's what I was. That's exactly what I have here. These are my alerts.
Looks like
I'm
it's
not
getting ready
playing
to.
the downside.
I say it looks like it's getting ready to break down. It had volume in that last candle,
Yeah.
better than all the other previous candles. So if it breaks down, I'm cool with that and saving this for another day.
I'm in SMCI 800 calls. Just broke through 760. So what I'm gonna do here, obviously it's a little overextended, but yesterday, if you guys go back in time, even if actually Friday, if you go back in time, you'll see that we kind of consolidated at this 760, 763. So if we break through, that's gonna be a nice move up here. We have a 5-minute trend here, so if this gets rejected, I know why. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So what I'm gonna do is for SMCI, if we get to 752 area, that's where I'm gonna stop out this trade. Damn, I'm sick. Were you guys playing spot or you already played it?
I was
Nah.
originally looking at 314, but it's breaking down from the consolidation, so I'm done watching this.
Same.
I probably won't touch this for the rest of the day either. I'll probably just hold on for tomorrow if this wants to break 315. So
Cause I'm not gonna lie, like even the earnings that a hold above 313 looks crazy. It looks nice. But I'm with Frankie here.
shout out to Kunal. always recommending me the weird stocks.
Probably gonna stop at a SMCI soon if this doesn't hold up. If this does come back up to 763, then I'm gonna add. Waiting for my ass to send 752. Touch 752. Nvidia hit a key level, pulled back. What was that key level? 813 and some change.
Coin coming in strong again.
Coin?
Yeah.
I don't even have that on my chart. I'm on SMCI still.
Did you stop out or no?
Nah. Look at the market pulling back.
I don't mind coin, George. It's just it's coin, bro.
No, I SMCI here actually. Those contracts holding up, Norm?
Yeah. NQ's finally trying to bounce here. The 5-minute trend is about to break as long as this closes above 760.
Oh my God, load and load.
Yeah.
There's no better entry there.
I'm about to add.
Come on.
I just,
Oh man.
I had just
Come on.
added there under 765. The trend is right above 760, so I'm not just going to let this run here. But look, George, I'll show you what I was looking at.
Talk to me. Up 9% right here.
I just sent it to you.
Got you. That's the 15-minute?
That's the 5-minute. The 15-minute is clear. It's really that 5-minute that needs to get 763 through. So if this closes, once we start getting candles closing above 763, it's over.
Got you.
You're talking about a move
Recti-
up to 780, most likely.
Yeah.
I'm still going to sell half, though, soon, just so I can make sure I can hold the rest. All right, market's starting to push as well. Not that that matters, but definitely a positive. $780 is the target, though. There's nothing, as long as this closes above 763 here, there's nothing that should hold this back.
We got news in 5 minutes again.
Nice. Red to green on the ask. Or trying to, at least.
I just don't like ES is pushing here. 50.90. We should probably see 50.95. That's how much room I have. So like
Yeah,
nine.
the thing is, it was pushing before the market, so it's on its own. So just keep an eye on this. You can even sell half here at the high if you wanted to, because it's right there. The ask is $1 away from that high.
It'd be a nice bull flag
New
here.
high
Come on.
on the ask, George.
Yeah, come on.
There
There
it
we
goes.
go. I just needs to hold this now.
$19 a contract here.
I'm up 12%.
Oh yeah, you have a later entry than me, right?
Dude, my entry was so precise, bro. Like on that re-entry.
Oh, okay, yeah, I remember.
I got in right on that retest of 760. We can't hold 766 here. I'm probably gonna stop out soon. We got 3 minutes here. Big drop in the market here.
Bro, look at the
Kinda
ask.
holding up. Yeah, it's kinda
Yeah.
holding up.
Need a little bit more on the ask. The bid is holding up well.
Another bull flag. Come on, right through.
Market pulled back, George, and it's pretty much held up. So it's on its own.
The
There it
bid to
goes.
let go there.
New
The
high
bid
on the
never.
ask. Let's get it
Yeah,
going though.
yeah. The bid needs to get above 765 here.
More than likely, if this makes a new high and gets stuck again, I'm just gonna sell half. Just letting you know.
Okay.
I'm looking for a smooth ride to 770 at least.
Yeah, but this is holding up while the market is dropping.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
There we
Oh, I
go.
just,
That's
I
what
just
you
need
want
to
to
see the
see. A
bid.
little bit
There
more though. Just a little bit more volume.
Bid is finally at 365 here, which is good. Come on, just a little more though. What's that wall size there? Was anything executed at
Mm,
767?
nah, it's not much there. It's only a couple.
Come on.
Here we go. All right, so look, if we make a new high and we don't go right through, I'm gonna just sell half. Some selling here.
That actually pulled back on the contract pretty hefty. Oh, that's the. Oh no, that's not news.
It's about to be news. You got 50 seconds left. Couldn't hold 763 as of right now. We got news in 19 seconds, George.
Right.
Fingers on the sell button.
Same. We should stop here.
Pretty much the same as before, but as soon as it touches it, I'm going to let go of it.
Sure.
News. Fingers on the sell button, just in case we get any funny business. Let's get a rally. $759 on the ask, $760 on the ask. Let's get the bid to move a little bit closer. Above 760 there. Let me know if you stop before me, George.
I got. I right now I got an alert at 7:53. Depending on how aggressive we get down there.
Yeah, if we push back above 763, I'm gonna higher my stop to 757.
Man, I'm with you on that. But I'm liking what I'm seeing still, to be honest.
Yeah, look at this. Bid pushing. Ask needs to rise a little bit more here.
Like, those- right at that trend here on the algo now.
All right, 763. Once we get a candle that closes above 763, I'm gonna higher my stop to 757 or 756 actually, just because how wide the spreads are sometimes.
Okay.
Bids holding up above 764 now. Trying to at least. Market's dropping, by the way.
Yeah. Yeah, got my finger on the trigger just in case.
Me too. $760 on the ask again.
Yeah, probably gonna stop out soon.
Yeah, let me know. Nice bounce right there.
We got 2 minutes here. Okay.
That's nice. All right, so from here we need that move into 763.
Yeah, and before this 5 minute candle closes.
How much time is left on that? A minute.
One. Yeah.
Bid rising. We're trying to slowly here. Market just got a nice push.
At that trend right there.
It's trying again. Here we go. All right. A little bit more here, and I'm gonna hire my
20
stop.
20 seconds here.
Yep. That's oh wow. Okay. 10 seconds left, George.
I'm hiring my stop now.
I'm about to. Once this candle closes. Nice. I'm gonna hire my stop to 756 at least now, and I'll just continue to hire as we move higher. Look at the ask.
Yeah.
Finally getting that bid moving now.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Oh, this is fire.
I might
Can't wait
add
to get
again.
loud and
Oh
loud.
my god, these contracts, bro.
I'm gonna add again at 770 or right before 770.
I want to see the bid get closer here as we approach 767.
Is that your target on this, North? 770, or you
No,
want to
780.
see? Okay, okay.
Hey, there goes the bid here.
Yo, look at the ask.
Look at that wall right there.
Yeah, there's a heavy.
Check it
They're
out.
pushing on the bid. By the way, they got 20 sitting at 765. They're trying to get filled here. They're not going to unless it pulls back here.
See, that's not what I want to see here.
Relax, be
I don't know.
patient, George.
It had good volume right there, though.
Right here,
So.
it's coming through. Let's see.
Got a little bit. My bad, fellas.
Nah, you're right though. Obviously, we want to see a smooth ride here.
Alright.
I'm gonna add at 769 most likely.
I actually ended up selling right there.
You said what?
I actually ended up selling right there. I was in that for a minute with you guys too.
Did you get in when I got in?
A little bit after. I didn't want more confirmation besides 760.
Gotcha.
Those are my fills right there.
Obviously, for the people who don't play SMCI, plenty of opportunities to sell there. But for me, I'm just waiting for that 780 mark. I don't have a full position yet. If we break 770, I'm higher my stop to 763, George.
Okay. I was thinking 761, but I'll do 763 with you.
Only because I'm adding more. That's why.
That's true. That's
Possibly.
True. We should get something here on this one.
Oh, look at the bid. There we go. We should
Come
start
on,
getting.
come
I added.
on.
I'm adding.
Those contracts are at 20.
I just added, guys. I'm gonna higher my stop.
Are you selling half here or no?
No.
I'm up 20% right now. I'm gonna hold it with you.
I'm hiring my stop to 760 right now, and then once we break 770, my stop will be 763. So right now my stop is 760.
Again, for all the people that can't withstand the hold, sell here. Yours should be up nicely. We don't want to hear none of that other stuff or whatever. Just, you know what I mean?
It's basically what I did. Yeah, I wasn't comfortable holding anymore. I was like, yeah, screw this. I'm green nicely. Let me just sell.
Where's the market? Market's starting to push.
Yeah. It's okay. It hasn't been moving like you said though, with it. I might just sell half though here at 770.
Yeah, I might sell half there. I was just waiting for the break. I thought you meant like right before the break. I wasn't.
No. 770.
Contracts are still 1930 a contract, fam. So. Next 5-minute candle is about to close here in 40 seconds.
Oh yeah, come on.
Nice, Amit. 2100 profit on SMCI. My first trade ever with Stock Hours team. That's good. You're wild for taking that as your first trade, but where's your stop, George?
762.
Mine's 761, but same thing.
My finger on the trigger here. Goes green or red here. 20 minutes, 20 seconds.
I'm not adding anymore. I'm done adding. 5 minute closed, right? Yeah. Bid came back up. We're at 765 on the bid. 766 on the ask. Sometimes it takes its time like this, but it's all right. If this was later in the week, our contracts would be dying right now, but it's 1850 a contract, so it's still good if I wanted to walk away here.
ES couldn't break high of day there. It's rejecting in Q as well. I like how that bounced right off that the 5 minute trend.
Yeah, me too. And we're kind of holding 763, which is the previous struggle we had before, so everything's kind of lining up as of right now. Some trades are quick, some trades are a little bit longer. 767.50 on the ask. That bid is stuck a little bit.
I see 767 hold now.
Contracts back to 840, 1840.
I really like what I'm seeing on the 5 minute, so I'm not really tripping right here. Just would like to see futures here start pumping, give this at least a little something.
Just got an alert, it's pushing. There it goes. Once we take out 769.50, it's going to go straight through 770. There's not enough of a wall there. So just pay attention. If you're looking to sell, make sure you watch 769.50 because if that breaks right there, you're going to get a quick pop. So if you're looking for a scalp there and trying to get out, that's where you're going to be able to get out as soon as it breaks that.
Right at 769 there, the high.
Yep.
768.50, you can close above that. We got 1 minute left on this 5 minute candle.
Look at the candle on NQ though.
Yep.
Aggressive candle there. And on ES.
Yep.
Definitely not the ideal situation for a push. You have a buyer sitting at 764 currently flat.
All right.
2,000 shares there at 764 he's looking for. 2,200 shares now. Let's see if he gets filled. If you're wondering how do I see that buyer, just look at level 2. You'll see him pop up 764. He has 23 times 100, obviously, sitting there. So there are buyers interested on this, but they're not trying to buy at the high. They have set limits here at 764.
ES dropping here. Nah, we should get a breakout here soon.
Yeah, I mean that buyer just needs to step up here. He's at 764. He's not getting filled. He's gonna have to hire that entry, especially if he wants to get in before this run here.
I'd love to see 767 here on the bid soon. Candle just closed.
$1.4 million trying to be bought up at 764.
Here we go, brother.
Here we go. Watch 769.50. That's where you're gonna get the quick pop. There we go. 770. Boom. Told you.
Bro, I want the bid above 770 here.
How much are these contracts? $20. All right.
Can we get the bid above 770 and get a louder low in the chat,
Yep,
baby?
there it goes.
Come on, just needs to hold here.
I'm personally still holding.
There's
I'm
another
with you
wall
right
at 774, but it's nothing crazy. There's
Not
also
up
one
as
here at
much as I was
771.
earlier, though.
770 bid is holding now. Let's see how long it can hold for. But for the people, remember I told you watch 769.50 if you're looking for the quick sell.
I think it has one more push here.
Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of half on the next high, most likely. There it goes, 772. A little bit more. That we held through the hard part. 772.
Limit order here, see if I get filled.
4,600 shares trying to be bought at 770 here. You guys see that?
Yeah.
Let's see if he gets
One
filled.
more push here. One more push here. I might just sell at 775 if the momentum's there.
I
I'm
wanna
hiring my
see-
stop, bro.
I want to see if that buyer gets filled at 4,600 shares there. Yeah, he got filled. Contract still above $20.
Shoot, I forgot I had to cancel all. Ooh, I was about to do some herbery.
What happened?
I thought I canceled the limit, and then I never did. I like this, dude. What, are you hiring your stop yet or not yet?
It's 763, yeah.
Okay.
Instead of 761. Just to make sure any aggressive sells, I'm not going to get stuck in it.
2 minutes on this 5-minute candle here.
Contracts are still $20 though. 1980.
Yeah, I'm up 22%. Bond, so if you're just watching, this is really good screen time. Watching what things are doing, reacting. Come on.
Let's get it going, buddy. 770 on the ask now. Get the bid a little bit higher.
Okay.
There we go.
So like what the 5-minute is doing, bro.
Ask 771.50. Nice.
What I don't like is where ES is at. I only got like 5 more points of room before we reach a zone.
I have an order ready. I'm gonna sell half if we get up to that new high here. I know I've been saying that, but every time it looks just even better and better. So
Oh, low, that low right
New
here. It's
high
gonna
on
go
the
right through.
ask. Give me a little 773. Once this 773 breaks, I'm gonna get out half. Damn, look at that bid though. Definitely better than before. Fingers on the sell button for half.
It's above 773 here.
There we go. 773.30. All right, I just sold half, guys.
Man.
21 a contract. Looking for the next sell to be above 70.75. It's right there.
It's right here. A limit order.
Look at the bid too. Okay, I'm ready to sell the rest. There we go. 775. I didn't get filled. You got filled, George?
No, I'm giving this one more shot. I might just flatten here.
I tried to.
I still like where the ask is at. Kind of holding here. Now it needs to get aggressive.
Market just pulled back pretty aggressively as well, so let's see if we hold up.
See, that's what I was saying. I don't got much room on it yet, so I'm giving this one more shot here.
You have another wall at 777.
I won't be holding that long. Here we go, George.
Me neither.
Get the ass to move a little bit higher. 22 a contract. There we go. I'll let you guys
New
know.
high
when I
on the
fill.
new high on the ask there. Just a bit is not cooperating here. I just cancel my limit order. I'm finna flatten here pretty soon.
Yeah, I'm with
I'm
you
raising
on
my
that.
stop. I'm raising my stop to 770.
Mm-hmm. Even though it's the market, I'm still gonna respect it.
Contracts are holding up though.
Yeah, 21.20 on the ask.
Debating what I want to do here. Cause this is holding up, bro.
773 the bid.
Bread is tight here. 70. All right, come on. Bid needs to let go here. Wicking from the
775
bottom.
on the ask. There we go.
Need to bid above
Ah,
775 here.
Are they gonna make me hold this?
That's what I'm trying to say, bro.
Nah, I'm not going to. I'll just wait in here to get that clear run here. I'm trying to get
Just one
filled
more
at
pop.
22 a contract. Let's see if I can. Will it fill me at 22 a contract? Hopefully.
There's a wall here at 776 and 7777.
I just got
I
filled.
got filled. Yeah, I got
There
filled.
you go.
Sold the rest, George.
Come on, I just got filled with you, man. Let's
Target-
go.
Target is 780, but oh man, that was the
Bro.
hard part, kind of. This is where
Man,
you
that's
should
what
get
I'm
a
saying.
smooth breakout. I'm just not here to find out with this market.
Hey, who was talking about signals, man? If you keep your stops tight and then you get one of these, it makes up for everything. I 3 times made what I lost earlier. 3 times. And it's Tuesday. With less size.
Excited?
Nah, it's just, bruh. I talk about y'all need a 780 right there.
Aw, don't look,
Damn,
guys.
those
Oh.
contracts, oh
I already
my.
told you how it was gonna be, bro. Oh
It was
shit.
still a beautiful trade though.
Yeah, it did. Oh man.
The beautiful trade. You gotta be patient in risk management. Uh, size down until y'all start getting a little bit like understanding that part. Like if you're freaking out or something like that, it's just these plays happen too often. Where if
Sure.
you just keep your discipline tight, you're gonna be good.
George,
Dude,
bro.
785?
Oh
What?
no, 787, bruh.
I'm tripping. Yeah, 787.
I told you
Nor-
we had.
I'm not really
Norla,
tripping to be honest.
That was really
Norla
the
Jig
hard part
called it.
because, look, I don't know if I sent the screenshot, but this was the hard part that me and George held through. We had so much free room too if we wanted to hold.
Dude, all right. So if y'all watched and y'all just had screen time, this was y'all gotta remember we talk about this all the time. These are what more normal trades are. This is more often, right? Like, how do I explain this? This happens more often than not. These are the type of trades that you're gonna start moving forward as you get better, in my opinion. And like, just gotta be comfortable holding these.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with just watching. Watching is good. Watching is good.
New high after new high now.
I got 40% on that, bro.
Yeah, I got a sick ass percentage on that.
I feel like you can ask more for that trade. Granted, you guys sold once like the easy part came, but I mean, like everything about that, I was just watching. I took a scalp with you guys in that trade. Everything about it was just
I got
so
30%,
good.
George.
Yeah, I played the 900.
The who? Yo.
$790, no way, bruh. I sold at 6. These are at 770.
Wow. They're $30 for me. I sold at 22 on the 800 calls.
Oh man,
It's actually not that crazy though. Like,
it's Tuesday.
yeah, but I'm saying like it's not that crazy that it did this. It's like normal.
Oh yeah.
It's fine.
That's why I got in on that re-entry. Once I saw that, it held your stop and everything. Like I already know, like your stops on this be so spot on, and that's why it's super important to have the right position size when you're playing this because your stops are spot on. Then you add when you get more confirmation. Like it's
I believe I added
doesn't
like
get it.
2-3 times there. 790 just broke, George.
Contracts are almost at $8.
30 for me.
Nvidia went
Oh
crazy too.
wow, 791.
823. Coin broke out as well. See now that after when I'm in a play like that zoned in, I have no idea what's going on. I'm kind of like looking around, see what's meta's just been grinding. The one that might have been nice would have been 814 on Nvidia. That looked nice.
Yeah, flat top.
Hmm.
They're up. Oh, SMCI is up $70 now. 72.
Yes, sir. Soccer, dono. Yeah. I just don't think personally. I'm glad I chose SMCI over coin. I just wasn't. Nah, looks good. Would have been a hold as well.
I mean, I mentioned it earlier, George. There's multiple times you could have just scalped SMCI too. Like I
Yeah.
scalped. I mean, I didn't scalp it. Obviously, I held through the one of the pullbacks with you guys, but watching how those contracts were moving at certain areas, there's multiple times you could have scalped it too.
I would play SMCI one more time for the scalp, but I'm gonna wait. Yo, coins at 236, bro. Whatever. Meta's ripping as well.
Is that it for you? You got anything else, Nor? I think I might be done, bro, after that one.
Yeah, I'm done unless we get any type of move on SMCI up to 800. I might take that as a scalp.
Nor.
You can hear me or no?
Yeah, look at interns. iMessage.
Alright, wait 1 sec. I'm gonna respond to that. I have a funny response for that. Hold on.
Yeah, points finally starting to trying to break out here. I think I'm good on that though, personally.
Check intern chat. It just goes on for days.
That's crazy, actually.
Wow.
I can't do anything for that person, honestly.
I don't know. You wanna do a quick Q&A before we see?
Yeah, I'm down, just in case we don't get it.
Again, not every day is perfect. Yesterday we went 3 for 3, 2 with Nor, and a fire play as well with Maki. That was 3 for 3. We're human. Sometimes we mess up, but if you keep your stops tight, like we did on Coin, I took a super small loss on that. And we never stopped out on SMCI. And if your risk management is there, try to mention it, especially SMCI. We should already know that we go half size. Give us a little bit more breathing room. Also talked about how you give it wiggle room just because you know the stock. So all those things go in hand in hand. So even if you didn't play that and you just watched it, that's really really good screen time there.
Yesterday, 30% play for me, and then a 20% play, and then Maki caught, I don't even know how much, a lot. And
Like
then
70,
today,
bro.
Coin took about a 10% stop, 11, let's just say, 12. And then SMCI was about 30%. Freaking George caught 40 because he wants to buy out the world contracts, not out the money contracts.
Muntakim, no, we do not recommend Robinhood at all, brother. We don't recommend Webull or Robinhood.
Weeble's a lot better now because you can actually market buy
Yeah.
now.
Man,
So
got me
it's not
fucked up. I ain't gonna lie to you.
it's not as bad as a platform.
Yo, but during that $0 challenge, I've traded on Robinhood.
Oh man.
I'm not saying you guys should, but I showed you that's possible.
James, if I'm buying on the push and everything's looking smooth, it doesn't. I really don't see it. But if I buy and it's like consolidates, then yeah, it'll be negative slightly. Nvidia, Maki.
Yeah. 825. Wow.
Yeah, Pablo. See, that's long term. That's good to understand and be okay with. You know what I mean? Taking the L on that. Like we know that those pullbacks be aggressive, and sometimes they don't even come back. So us having that tight stop on that kind of helped us, at least me, like since it was a small like loss. Like my mind is good. My mind is ready to take on the next trade like nothing ever happened. Do you think I want to lose that amount even if it was small? No, I don't want to lose that, but it is what it is. Um, my mind and my mental behind everything else after I was done with that trade was fresh. It was good. And I didn't even have my coffee. Now I might have sized up on that. And my stop was below 10% to be honest. Let's see, let me do the math here. Yeah, my stop was 7% on coin. So I took a 7% loss on coin and made like almost 40. No, that was SK. That was because that person wanted to buy puts and calls, and then at that point I was like, if you do that and it doesn't move out of that. I think you're not gonna come out good. You're gonna come out flat or whatever. And then if it stays between the both, then you might lose money on both. But that's on next to the IV. Yeah, it's the one in parentheses, the plus or minus. I thought we would have
I
more
just got an alert.
questions.
I just got an alert for Spotify, George.
Here we
Bro, I'm
go.
not taking this, bro.
No, I'm not. I'm not taking it either.
I might take. Nah, just kidding.
No, I was like, you're on your own, brother.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Nah, you called me. Yeah, you give me a little excited. I'm like, oh shit. I think I'm good though. It's too late in the day.
Yeah.
After that trade
Oh,
SMCI, good.
315.
I'm mentally drained just sitting here and just watching you guys trade that the entire time.
I didn't even trade at the full potential. They're lucky I took a. If I didn't take an L on coin, your boy would have been in there that whole time.
You probably would have been in heavier too, huh?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
I just wanted to protect at least some capital so I could cover for coin. Well, obviously more than covered for coin. But
Mm-hmm.
coin,
Look at here.
I never even went in with the full position. Ended up actually getting a full position on SMCI, which was good because it took its time.
See what happens here.
On Spotify?
No. Yes.
Oh.
I'm not trading spot right there.
That breakout looked pretty good.
Nah, it looks solid, but
Let's see. If I had tried this, I would have been filled around 375 at the worst. Those
The
contracts hit
320s,
a
right?
high, yeah, and those contracts hit a high at 425. So 50 cents on the contracts if you scalp it perfectly.
I would have got in at
But
you said 314.
3-4, yes, I'm judging it based on the high on those contracts at 1037. Worst case scenario, I would have been filled at 375, and the contracts hit a high of 425 once we
Bro,
broke
the
315.
chart of contracts looks disgusting.
I
But
know.
Yeah, what do you do when you have like I think it's my tonsils that are like swollen right now. Freaking Vegas.
Aren't you
pause.
supposed to be
Hey,
drink
pause.
tea?
Pause. But put hot water and get hot water, put salt in there, and then like the salt is gonna help like break up, and you just like gargle it. Yeah, see what
Okay.
default just said. And I know like a pause for real, but yeah, like gargle it, let it hit the where it's swollen. If you let it hit where it's swollen, I know it sounds crazy. Pause again, but it is what it is. Somebody's knocking on my door. I'll be right back.
That's the Diddy police after what you just said, brother.
What were you gonna play on spot? I was planning to take my entry at 314. Back when it was in a consolidation at the open. Once it had that breakout at the open. So I would have taken it there and then sold on the 315 break. You probably would have made around 40 to 50 cents on the contracts by scalping it. So looks good. Ecom.
Meta with a $4 correction there. Pablo says stop being a girl. What do you guys do in Alabama? Go out to the cornfield and what? Sit in the sun or something? Yo, wow. The reason there's a 5 minute delay on this is because Wednesday there won't be a 5 minute delay. It'll be live because the chat is free. But it would be no point of a Discord if it wasn't a delay. That's why. All right. See anything else, Frankie?
I just got back.
No, I don't have anything. The videos did everything that we wanted it to while we were in that trade. So
It's
well,
kind of
you guys were in that
interesting
trade.
because now we're, it's a little steeper than a relief rally. Let me just take a look how we look on the 1 hour here.
What are y'all talking about?
Just in general, the overall market, we're at 505, low is 490. I mean, we're starting to get out
If there's
there
anything else too, George.
But
But
look at this. Look at look what I sent. You remember what I sent earlier?
the ES one.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah. Bounced right
I-
back in.
Yeah, got room all the way to 51.17.
Someone said I'm playing money line on Tesla tomorrow. Deadass.
Huh?
I think he's got that confused with like the Knicks or something.
Hey, that was a fire ass game.
Thank you very much. I was supposed to be there actually.
That would have been fire, bro.
Be at the next
Were
one.
you the water boy or?
Wow.
I was gonna say something, but I'm on stream right now.
I already know what you're gonna say
I already
too.
know. I already know what it is too.
Hey Nick, that was a good game too, brother. I got money on that game, on that series actually, with a couple of my boys.
Wait, did Lakers lose last night? I didn't get to finish the
Yes.
game. They did?
Bro, game winner.
No, wait, bro. They were up like 27 to like 16 or 14 or something
Bro,
like that.
that was a game winner by Murray.
Oh.
As he's falling, he gets trampled and everything. He didn't even see if the shot went in. He's just like, oh shit, it went. Like everybody's like celebrating with him. He didn't even know.
Damn,
with
LeBron must
over.
be sick of Jokic. I'm not gonna lie. He's probably so
Hey, I'm gonna
mad.
send you something. I'm gonna send you something. Hold on. It's AI, but it's pretty fun. Let me see. Who did I send it to? Where he's just talking shit about the Jokic.